Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. The 1973 Jeep CJ-5 4x4 is one of those classic off-road legends that shaped the identity of American adventure vehicles. In today's video, we take a closer look at this iconic machine, explore its rugged exterior, simple interior, and performance capabilities that made it a favorite among off-road enthusiasts for generations. Exterior. The exterior of the 1973 CJ-5 carries the unmistakable Jeep DNA, compact, tough, and ready for anything. Its short wheelbase and rounded fender design give it a unique, instantly recognizable silhouette. The front end features the classic 7-slot grille, round headlights, and a no-nonsense stance that tells you this vehicle was built for function over flash. The body is constructed with durability in mind, offering minimal overhangs to tackle steep climbs and rocky terrain. Depending on the trim and owner modifications, you might find steel or soft top configurations, practical side mirrors, and rugged steel bumpers that enhance its off-road resilience. The CJ-5's elevated ground clearance and aggressive tire options make it perfectly suited for mud, trails, and uneven surfaces. Moving to the interior, the CJ-5 keeps things simple and purposeful. This is where you see the genuine off-road character. No fancy luxuries, just what you need to drive. The cabin features durable vinyl seats designed to withstand weather, dust, and rough use. The dashboard is straightforward, containing basic gauges such as speedometer, fuel, and temperature indicators. The open cabin, removable doors, and fold-down windshield add to the freedom-oriented design. Legroom is compact, but the CJ-5 was never meant to be a comfort cruiser. It's a raw and mechanical driving experience. Its simplicity is what makes it charming. Everything is easy to access, repair, or modify, giving enthusiasts endless customization potential. Performance. Under the hood, the 1973 Jeep CJ-5 offers strong performance for its era. Many models came equipped with the 304 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering solid torque and impressive low-end power, especially useful for off-roading. Other variants included the inline-six engines known for reliability and steady performance. Paired with a manual transmission and a robust 4x4 system, the CJ-5 proves itself on dirt trails, rocky paths, and steep inclines. Its lightweight body and short wheelbase make it nimble, though drivers need skill at higher speeds due to its narrow track and lifted ride. The suspension is built to endure rough conditions, and the four-wheel drive transfer case allows seamless transition between on-road and off-road modes. In conclusion, the 1973 Jeep CJ-5 4x4 stands as a symbol of freedom, durability, and pure adventure. It's not just a vehicle, it's an experience. Whether you're climbing mountains, cruising through forests, or restoring a classic, the CJ-5 connects you to the golden era of off-roading. With its rugged exterior, simple interior, and dependable performance, it remains one of the most beloved Jeeps ever built. If you're a fan of vintage 4x4s, this model is a true gem worth celebrating.